Hi, I'm Joffrey Brett. My gay life, no apologies. Take a look at all this food. Come along. Let me show you how you can get a full freezer of food. Manage your budget. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you exactly what it cost me for all of this food.
Hi, come along on my journey as I show you how I do prepping, how I save money each month, and get to know who I am, Joffrey Brett. Come along, take a look, and tell me what you think, and you too will be saving long before you know it. Here we go. So if you want to be a prepper, the first thing you have to do is make yourself a list when you go to the store. We do that every single week or every other week when we shop. Now we only buy if it's on sale and if in fact I have room in the freezer to put it. We prep our food and we start here with the potatoes. The potatoes were on sale this week for 99 cents for a 5-pound bag of potatoes. There's no limit on what you can buy, but I already have some in the freezer, so I chose to just buy 15 pounds. The 15 pounds of potatoes I cut up, and then what I do is I boil them in water from start to finish for only 10 minutes. So come along as I start to cut the potatoes that we're going to put into individual bags for Kevin and I for a meal. Here we go. Keep watching.
So I cook the potatoes on a low temperature just until they come to a slight boil like this, and you see the white foam on top. I do it that way so that they are pre-cooked slightly, so that they're not completely hard for freezing, as well as it takes off any dirt that's on the outside peel and it removes a quantity of the starch off of them. Once I get them drained, I'll put them in a bowl and let them cool. Here we have 15 pounds of potatoes, pre-cooked, pre-sliced, ready to bag for individual servings, dinner servings for 2 people. Let's let those cool off, and while that takes place, we'll start the chicken. So by food prepping and purchasing only when things are on sale, we're able to save quite a bit of money each month when it comes to prepping food and having food to eat when the prices continue to soar. So again, we have 5 pounds of potatoes, 15 pounds sitting there ready to go. The potatoes were on sale for 99 cents a pound. The chicken was on sale for $2.99 a pound, and it was chicken breast, boneless. So the regular price of this 7 pounds
Too much love that I got for you. Too much love, baby, come touch me now. Too much love, too much sauce. Too much love that I got for you. So much sauce, baby, come touch me now. Too much love, baby, I'm ready for you. Baby, I'm on my way. Don't care what you say, what you say.
Now, broccoli traditionally is about $1.99 to $2.99 a pound. And they sell it with the big stalk. So you're really paying for stock. They had it on sale for 99 cents a pound, and it was the bouquets. So we bought, I think, 2. Let me get those started. My vegetable cutting board. Yeah. And we have 2 heads of broccoli. Now when I prep broccoli, I cut it into servings again, but I don't pre-cook it because we can steam it when it's time for dinner.
Say to me, baby, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Don't care what you do to me. Baby, I'm on my way. Too much love that I got for you. Too much love, baby, come touch me now. Too much love, too much sauce. Too much love that I got for you. So much sauce, baby, come touch me now. Too much love, too much love.
Once again, the benefit of buying when it's on sale is we created all these florets of broccoli that I can freeze them into individual servings for dinner, bagged into the freezer. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bags ready to go and catch up with me in a little bit. I was able to prepare 6 bags of broccoli. So let's get one sealed. And you can see how nicely that seals that. So you go from this to this. Ready for the freezer, ready for dinner. Let's continue. Seal up one end of the bag so that I can put some potatoes in this one. So we first will seal up one side. Fill it with potatoes. And then when we're all done filling up our bags, we can seal up and take the air out on the opposite end and freeze them. Simple, really. As you can see, I've been busy prepping here, filling up these bags. Each bag of potatoes and chicken, I put in 2 handfuls of chicken and 2 handfuls of potatoes, which fills it up nicely so that there's enough for Kevin and I for a meal. So let's get the chicken sealed. This is the messiest job, is the chicken. So let's get this sealed up.
Lâche pas cette magie entre nous, tu es mienne. Ne fâche pas, cœur, c'est bien comme un bijou.
Now we'll move on to the potatoes. I ended up bagging 31 individual servings of potatoes. Again, the total cost of the 15 pounds of potatoes was $2.10.
And at the end of the video, I'll tell you exactly what it cost me for all of this food right here.
So it's time to get all these potatoes into one of my wire baskets that I'll put into the freezer. And I'll show you here in a moment how much I've got frozen total for food prepping that we've done over the last few months. The total to make 15 pounds of prepped potatoes, the 2 pounds of broccoli, and the 8 pounds of chicken cost me a total of $21.16. I ended up bagging 31 bags of potatoes. I ended up getting 12 bags of chicken and 5 bags of broccoli. I would say that's a pretty good savings. So becoming a prepper is really something you should consider if you're struggling to put food on the table.
30 bags. So you don't know me, and all you have to do is take my word for it. But if you don't know me, why would you? We shop and prep and buy food only when it's on sale, including fresh vegetables. So I'm going to show you here in my deep freeze what we have down in here. We have enough food out here, and everything is prepped. I have baskets of potatoes, and we have baskets of fresh tomatoes. I have corn. We have tomato sauce that I make. More corn. Fresh peaches. Fresh strawberries. Peas. Carrots. And more chicken. In the freezer. Out here in the garage. And as I stated, we buy only if it's on sale. We bag it, prep it, freeze it, we're ready to eat a good meal whenever we want, and we save money doing so. Here I have 12 bags of chicken, individually packaged for 2 people for a dinner. 12 bags, ready to put them in with my current prepped food that Kevin and I do each month. It's the only way to save money.
So from what you see here in the freezer in my home, I have, of course, ground beef, and I have steaks, I have roast pork and beef. I have chicken, I have turkey, we have seafood that Kevin likes. I've got frozen turkeys that we get on sale when they're 99 cents a pound. So with all this meat that you see here in the freezer and the vegetables I have out in the garage, I have a supply of food that will last us at least 9 months. And then I've got my spices that I get from the garden. I have my rosemary and I have my basil that we're starting to dry. So we can also use
My spice cabinet real soon to add to the other spices I have, because spices is something that I spend money on only when it's on sale, and I prep what I can from our garden. So I thank you for coming along. Tell me what you think, leave me your comments, and please subscribe to My Gay Life. No apologies. I'm Joffrey Brett. Take on your day.